All right, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Good day. I hope you guys are, safe and sound. Okay, in this video, it's going to be a product unboxing and review. Okay, it's a DSP. Okay, as you can see from the title, it's the Helix Pro MK2. Okay, it's a 10-channel DSP. And it has all the bells and whistles. I would say by far this is one of the best DSP that is available in the market. Okay, so this is the product. DSP Helix Pro. Okay, this is the box. Okay, first impression from the box itself, it feels really high quality. Okay, the R&D for the packaging is really nice. Okay, made in Germany, and again, you will have all your specs and the amplifier, the DSP's pros and cons are here lah, basically all the features. Okay, all right, so let's move on to unboxing. Okay, I've already taken out the tape. All right, so when you open the box, you will be greeted with this user manual, which is very useful. All right, please don't throw this away. If you can, read this. Okay, any product you buy, read this. Okay, and you have this protection foam on top. Nice. On the side, you will have the cable. This is for your tuning. That one goes to the back end of the DSP, and this one goes to your computer or laptop or whatever device that you use. Okay, and here you'll have some mounting screws. Okay, you'll have 4 of them, pretty standard. Okay, and this is the unit itself. We'll come back to that later. Okay, and yeah, that's about it. That's for the box, and you can't lift this up because it's glued to the box. Okay, so we put everything back in. By the way, that's my dog. If you can hear the bell. Okay, so this is the unit. We'll open the unit. Right. Helix MK2 Pro. So this is your ground control, okay, and your status, whether it's on or not, and your USB and your controller input. So if you have a DSP director, then you can plug it in and you can control the DSP via the director. Okay, so this is your channels, your output channels: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 channels. Okay, and this is the front end where all your power and ground goes in. So this is your input channel. So you have 8 input channels here. I don't know why so many, but usually we will only use 4. So the front and rear. So it also depends how you want to configure it lah. And also one thing here is the coax input. Okay, so if you have a music player device that supports coax, you can directly stream your music from the device to the DSP, which means you can eliminate your head unit or whatnot. So this DSP can be used as a source unit. Okay, and you have your optical input. All right, if you have a BMW, Mercedes, which has an optical output, you can use the optical input and it will automatically do its magic inside. Okay, and this is the high level input. You also can use RCA inputs and also high level inputs. Okay, so usually this will be it lah, A, B, C, D, left, right, front, left, right, rear, and all that stuff like that lah. And you have your terminal here. Okay, this is your terminal. All right, this is your terminal. Your ground, I think this can be removed. Yep, this can be removed. So this is where you'll put your power cable and your ground and your remote in, and also it has a remote out, which means you can use the remote out source to power your amplifiers, to give them a signal on switching on and off at the same time. So you don't have to run multiple wires with the head unit and stuff. So if you have this, okay, you have your power here and your ground and your remote in to turn on the DSP, and also remote out here. Okay, so this one goes to your amplifiers, or you can have going into the distribution block, and from there it will control your amplifiers which you have. You know, you can have multiple amplifiers and whatnot. Okay, that's pretty simple. Just put it back, and you have your clip indicator here. Okay, so this clipping indicator shows that your input is clipping in a way, which means your signal is not clean. You're sending distortion signal. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. This is the first impression of the Helix DSP Pro MK2, because I never really seen anyone unboxing and showing a proper, you know, video of this particular unit. So I decided to get one and yeah, show it to you guys. And also one thing cool about this DSP is you can have you can have add-ons. Okay, you can have a Bluetooth module where you can stream directly to the DSP using your Bluetooth, which I find very, very, very awesome. Okay, so you can have a Bluetooth module. They have so many options. It's either you can have Bluetooth module, or you can have USB hack module, where you use a USB cable to it's like a digital input for your music rather than streaming, something like coax, but the principle is same, but it's not exactly the same. Okay, so yeah, that's about it, and see you guys in the next video. Just be safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.